everyone. Welcome back to the Concept IT Brothers. So this is the sixth part of SSIS tutorial. So let's see what topic we will be going to cover on this uh, lecture. So yeah, so we will see the about the connection manager and creating the SSIS package. Okay, so let's start with the Visual Studio first. Yep. So first of all, you have to create the new project by going to here, and then you can search SSIS. Yep. Then provide the meaningful name for the project. Yep. Then create it. Then you will see here we the new SSIS project has been created for the part 6 tutorial, and you can see here already one package, dummy package, has been created in a SSIS package. So I will rename it by double clicking or by right click and rename it part 6 and yes to all. Yep. So if we talked about the connection manager, then there is a multiple way to create the connection manager. One is a direct simple way of creating the connection manager. Click on the You can see the connection manager tab here. Then you can right click and you will see some elements, some options to create the connection, like it's a OLEDB connection manager or a flat file. If you are uh, like fetching the data from the flat file or ADO.NET connection or analysis, anything, and it's a file connection, then you can select from here. Then more if you are using older version of SSI, then it probably OLEDB, you can choose here new OLEDB connection. Yeah, then you will see this windows and click on the new. If When you click on the new, this connection manager will be open. So connection manager window, you will see here provider, it's a by default it will be here, but if you click on the drop down, you will see multiples options are available, like a provider of connection manager, but you don't have to touch anyone, because it's a by default we will use. Then add the database, like whatever server are there. So I will put my uh, like local server name, my system server. So yep. Then if you have a SQL Server authentication, then you can enter the username and password. So I have Kashyap Take IT and password. Not It's not compulsory to enter the username password. You can select the Windows authentication as well and select the database from here and check the test connection. So test connection is success. So you can click on the OK, and then you will see here one connection is created for this SSIS. So click on the OK. You can see here. And other way as well is there, if you wanted to connect with database, then you will see here data flow task. You have to go to the data flow task first, then you can double click on here. Then you will get data transformation from source to destination. Then you will see the OLEDB destination or a source. You will say find the source in a source uh, column, and you will see destination in a destination. Okay, so I will pick validb source, and I wanted to select like you can see here automatically it's fetched the database connection which I have created here in a connection manager, correct? And you can see here it will pull all the tables which are under adventure work 2014 database. It will take some time. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, so you can select anyone, and here is the some columns are there, and some, don't worry, this all I will explain you in another video. So right now, so, that you can see only connection manager related stuff. So you can see here it's previously it was there some wrong connection like a red colors, now it's moved, so it means the connection is perfect. Okay, yeah, that's it from this video. If you have any feedback, then please give us, and thank you so much. Please subscribe and share.